Does a crypto IRA, Bitcoin IRA, beat a high-performing 401k from a high earner, 100k salary and above? I almost closed my crypto IRA based on this analysis that you're gonna find out, so stay till the end to see why. Previous video, I covered the financial model and tool that I built to forecast retirement returns for a 401k versus a crypto IRA for the median 401k amount by age group. So watch that video now if you haven't, if you want to see the limitations of the tool, dive deeper into it, and see what the financial analysis ultimately became. For this video, we're going to use a 100k salary, and we're going to use $177,597 as the 401k balance. This is based on Business Insider's 401k balance by income. So we're going to use the age of 35 because at 100k salary, this places this person at a 90th percentile, so we can see what it's like for a higher earner that has longer to retire. Amount saved, we're gonna double the bare minimum amount, which is usually 10%, and then go for 20% for this video. For 401k average annual rate, we're gonna go with 10%, which we still use from the last video, but I believe this is still a good rate of return since Investopedia suggests anywhere from 5 to 8%, and then most financial planners will say the rate of return will be around 10%. 401k fee will be brought down to 0.02%, assuming a 401k is optimized with low index or just low cost funds in general. Here's a summary of the financial numbers that I use. A few of the ones that I didn't mention earlier is going to be 25 years till retirement. Employer match is going to be 4.5%. Personal tax rate is 24%. Crypto IRA fees, monthly fees are going to be $29.95 a month. Average wire transfer fees, $3. And then a crypto IRA trading fee, 1%. This also assumes that they're using iTrustCapital for their crypto IRA. They have some of the best ratings and also the most transparent fees, and one is the largest provider. Plus, they're the ones that I use as well, and the one that I recommend to friends and family. So if you're interested in opening up a crypto IRA, link in the description below. Helps the channel, helps me. I will thank you, and your future self will thank you. Without digging deep into the limitations and the inner workings of the tool, check out the video again up here if you want to see all of that and the in-depth analysis. But at a glance, this tool uses triple exponential smoothing inside Excel using forecasted data. Here's some quick limitations. Uses historical data, which can't predict major trend reversals. If a historical trend or historical data includes things that are outside of the norm, like COVID-19, maybe the 2008 stock market crash, then those will treat it like it's the trend or the seasonality of the trend, and it'll skew the data. Also, I do this for my day job, and while I did my best, another thing is potential human error on my end. Disclaimer too, I'm not a financial advisor, so what I'm about to cover in this video is my financial opinion and should not be taken as financial or investment advice. Should be used for educational, informational purposes only. There are two cases, bullish, one conservative. Bullish is best case scenario. Conservative is more middle case scenario, with worst case scenario being Bitcoin goes to zero, which I don't foresee, but within the forecasted data, 3 different paths, and then one obviously goes negative and hits zero. I don't believe that based on the adoption, but we'll see what the future tells. With the conservative forecast, best forecasted return is a 401k only at $3 million, $25,568.43. This is with a Bitcoin retirement price of $268,262.83. For the bullish forecast, best forecasted return is going to be a 401k at the same price, with the Bitcoin retirement price being significantly higher because this best case scenario is $874,786.43. Why did I almost close my crypto IRA, but I ultimately didn't? The 401k returns here, you can see, overshadow the crypto IRA returns by 90k in the bullish case. For the conservative case, it's over 200k difference. When I saw this, a wave of sadness rolled over me because at that time I already opened my crypto IRA, and the sinking feeling in my stomach came over me, and I was like, I wasted a lot of money and time. Now I was gonna have to spend all this time figuring out what to do next. Yes, the bullish case was only a difference of 90K, but using the conservative case was where I was gonna make my decision. Luckily for the research for my last two videos, I had to reach out to the team regarding ACH and direct deposit. At that time, iTrust updated me on the staking feature that was planned in Q4 of 2021. Staking, for those people who don't know, in simple terms is basically locking up your crypto to generate interest. And sometimes you don't have to actively lock it up, you just have to keep it within your account, your platform, your wallet, with whatever application or company that you're with. After I heard this, I immediately built staking into the financial model. I estimate about 4% because that's what's competitive and lower than what the big players are offering it at. So I wanted to go with something more conservative and just to keep it there just in case it's lower than what is expected within the market. Staking isn't out yet, so I'm gonna adjust this in the future based on the real numbers. Conservative forecast with 4% staking, the best forecasted return was still a 401k only at $3 million, $25,568.43, with the Bitcoin retirement price being at $268,262.83. Even though the 401k beats maxing out the crypto IRA that's highlighted in yellow, the difference is only a little over $2,000. I would keep my crypto IRA open with the chance that Bitcoin is going to outperform the conservative forecast retirement, which I believe it has a possibility. This also assumes that I'll be able to keep a 10% annualized return on my 401k, but when I put in 8%, which is more accurate to what I believe my retirement account will be at for my 401k, maxing out a crypto IRA has the highest return at $2 million, $204,000, $164.65, which is a $140,000 difference. Bullish forecast with 4% staking, best forecasted return is maxing out a crypto IRA with 13.57% in a 401k, which nets about $2,569,397.57, with the Bitcoin retirement price being about $874,786.47. This difference is a little over $500,000 if I invested all of my money into a 401k versus maxing out my crypto IRA, which yielded the best forecasted return. But once I included staking, the decision was easy for me to keep open a crypto IRA and contribute until I hit the maximum limit. If I'm wrong about the 4% staking and it's lower, I'll do a future analysis. But unless the staking number is significantly lower, I don't see myself closing my crypto IRA. Plus, a crypto IRA makes sense for me because I have a higher risk tolerance, I have a longer till retirement, 25 years. I'm still contributing a higher percentage to my 401k. For context, I save about 18% of my salary for retirement and 10% is still going towards my retirement in my 401k. I believe in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for the future. For example, I believe Bitcoin will one day overtake gold market capitalization for the future. If you're interested in opening up a crypto IRA, I'm currently using iTrustCapital because of the transparent fees, great customer service I've had personally with them, and if you use my affiliate link, you'll get 1 month free when you sign up. I do receive a small affiliate commission at no added cost to you, so it'll help support me and the channel. Also, within iTrustCapital's crypto IRA, there are other large cap cryptocurrencies. They've added a lot recently to invest in, like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot. So the return might be higher depending on your view and the growth potential of these cryptocurrencies. This forecast is just a forecast because we can't predict the future. So either way, for me, I'm a firm believer in cryptocurrency and blockchain, so I'm betting on the bright future ahead. Will it be blue skies and green upward trending growth bars and candlesticks? I believe so. But time will only tell. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. And if you want more content on crypto analysis and to see how to make passive income online so that you can fund crypto and how to make passive income through crypto, watch the upcoming videos. And then if you want To see the previous analysis on the crypto IRA, watch the next video. Take care, we'll talk soon, and have a great day. Based on business for a crypto 4.5, oh my god.